Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Management Tutorial Courses. In this video we will be discussing planning function of management. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Planning is nothing but thinking before the action takes place. It helps us to take a peep into the future and decide in advance the way to deal with the situations which we are going to encounter in future. It involves logical thinking and rational decision-making. So let's explain characteristics of planning. Number 1. Managerial function. Planning is a first and foremost managerial function, provides the base for other functions of the management, i.e. organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling, as they are performed within the periphery of the plans made. Number 2. Goal-oriented. It focuses on defining the goals of the organization, identifying alternative courses of action, and deciding the appropriate action plan, which is to be undertaken for reaching the goals. Number 3. Pervasive. It is pervasive in the sense that it is present in all the segments and is required at all the levels of the organization, although the scope of planning varies at different levels and departments. Number 4. Continuous process. Plans are made for a specific term, say for a month, quarter, year and so on. Once that period is over, new plans are drawn, considering the organization's present and future requirements and conditions. Therefore, it is an ongoing process, as the plans are framed, executed and followed by another plan. Number 5. Intellectual process. It is a mental exercise that it involves the application of mind, to think, forecast, imagine intelligently and innovate, etc. Number 6. Futuristic. In the process of planning we take a sneak peek of the future. It encompasses looking into the future, to analyses and predict it so that the organization can face future challenges effectively. Number 7. Decision-making. Decisions are made regarding the choice of alternative courses of action that can be undertaken to reach the goal. The alternative chosen should be best among all, with the least number of the negative and highest number of positive outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. Other functions of management are explained in our next videos. Watch them for more details. If you find this video helpful, don't forget like and share our video and subscribe to Next Page Academy YouTube channel for more of such videos.